5 seconds to go. Start. Special leave granted. The appellants are aggrieved by a judgment and order of the Karnataka High Court which allowed the regular first appeal filed by the first respondent, Karnataka Industrial Corporation, hereafter called KIC. The appellants had filed a suit seeking declaration of title and injunction in respect of suit properties as stipulated in the schedule hereafter called suit schedule property, which were 11 acres and 16 guntas of agricultural land, and KIC were impleaded as respondents. The appellant's case was that their grandfather was granted the suit schedule property by order dated 22nd October 1929 passed by the Amaldar, Bangalore South Taluk, and that after his death his heirs and the appellants were owners in possession of the suit schedule property. It was alleged by KIC, the fifth respondent, a partnership firm, that by order dated 25th March 1968, the Karnataka government had granted the suit schedule property to it for non-agricultural use, and the appellants sought to interfere with KIC's possession. KIC raised the suit alleging inter alia that it was the absolute owner in possession of the suit schedule property. During pendency of the appellant's suit, hereafter called the 1995 suit, KIC filed OS number 21 of 1996, hereafter called KIC suit first, claiming injunction to restrain the appellant from disturbing its possession of the suit schedule property. In its suit, it was alleged inter alia that the plaintiff is the owner in possession of serial number 30 measuring 11 acres 16 guntas in extent, situate at Bangalore South Taluk. It has been converted for non-agricultural use for the purpose of establishing a brick factory. Document number 2 and document number 3 is the certified copy of the index of lands. The plaintiff is in exclusive possession of the property mentioned above, hereinafter called suit schedule property. After conversion, the khata number of the schedule property is 290 and it has been assessed to payment of tax to panchayat. Up to date taxes have been paid in respect of the suit schedule property. In view of the aforesaid orders in the other suits, the defendants are trying to dispossess the plaintiff firm from the possession of the land in question and are trying to trespass on the suit schedule property. Defendants have no right, title, and interest in the suit schedule property, and they are not the owners of the suit schedule property, and they are not and were not in possession of the suit schedule property at any point of time. The aforesaid documents completely establish that the plaintiff is the owner in possession of the suit schedule property. As the land in question is converted for non agricultural use and khata number is given by the panchayat, RTC is not being written in respect of the suit property. Stop.